Hello, everybody. It's Angela again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. I hope you guys are doing good. And thank you so much for tuning in. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make akara. And I'm using black eyed beans for this recipe. You can see this is the black eyed beans I'm going to be using. And this is already clean beans from my freezer. You can see it's completely washed, all skin peeled off. And I'm going to be using prawn for this recipe. And I'm going to be using 1 stock cube and salt, habanero pepper, and 1 white onion and red onion. This blender I'm going to be using to blend my beans. And I'm going to be using food processor to chop my onion, the pepper, and the prawn. And this clean bowl, I'm going to be using in mixing everything. And I'm going to be using sunflower oil as well. And I'm using water to blend. Now I'm going to start by blending my beans. I'm going to add a little bit of water to the blender, little bit water, not too much water because you want it thick. I'm going to blend till it's completely smooth. You can see my beans is completely smooth, so I'm pouring it in the clean bowl. I'm going to repeat this process till everything is finished. I think I'm going to do it 3 times. Now I'm going to add my stock cube and the salt to the beans in the blender to blend everything together. And I added water as well. You can see everything is completely blended. And now I'm going to chop my onion. You don't have to use food processor if you don't have it. You can use your knife to chop it, or you can even blend everything with your beans if you want everything smooth. And also you don't have to use prawn. You can use fish. You can use any protein of your choice. You don't even have to add any protein to it because beans is already protein enough. You can see that's the prawn already chopped and the pepper. So now this is my blended beans. I'm going to beat it for at least 3 minutes. Now I'm adding my onion, already chopped onion to it. And I'm adding my prawn as well and the pepper, also chopped. And don't forget, I already added salt and the bouillon cube. And now I'm adding the oil to the pan. I'm going to heat it till it's completely hot. And I'm going to mix everything together. You can see my beans is still thick. So I'm going to add a little bit water to it. So now my oil is hot enough. So I'm going to start frying it. I just use spoon to take a little bit. You can use your hands. You can see when the oil is very hot, you can see the beans, the mixture. When you put it in the oil, a few seconds later, you see it comes up on top of the oil. Then you know your oil is very hot. It's hot enough. You can see now my akara is doing really good. So you're going to fry both sides. You're going to flip it until it's completely brown. You can see my akara, both sides are brown. I'm going to repeat this process till I finish frying everything. You see, I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. Akara is not difficult to prepare. You see, my akara is completely ready. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like my page, and share. And those of you that are sharing my videos, I appreciate. Thank you so much. God bless you. And if you subscribe, don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to see my video. You can see that is my akara. It's just yummy, nice, lekker. Thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video.